you have children? Do you have assets? Do you think that your assets could be in jeopardy so that you have nothing for your children to inherit? Are you currently in a litigious business right now wherein you can be sued at any minute and lose your shirt? What can you do in order to make sure that your child's legacy, your loved one's legacy, the assets that you have worked so hard for your entire life is actually there for your loved ones, or there to help raise your children, or there to make sure that your loved one have a comfortable existence if something should happen to you? Or how do you help to prevent you from getting sued and losing everything that you worked hard for? In a situation like this, I want you to contemplate an asset protection trust. An asset protection trust is one that holds your assets, but is created in such a way to protect you and to shield you from liability when it comes to your creditors, when it comes to the kind of business that you're interested in, especially with your liabilities. So think about it. Your assets are in a trust. If you get sued, if you have to file for bankruptcy, these assets are protected within this trust. That sounds great, doesn't it? Of course it does. So let's talk about how it works. So one thing that you want to look at is you can't actively be in a lawsuit. If you're currently being sued and you're using the asset protection trust only to hide your assets from your liabilities and from your potential creditors, it's not going to work. But if you are suit free and you are bankruptcy free, then by all means, you can create this asset protection trust, put your assets within that trust. Nominate a third party to be your trustee. This trust is for your benefit, for the benefit of your children, and it's protected from your creditors. So your assets are in the asset protection trust. The business, if it's a business, whatever that's in there, it's being managed. It can be managed by you, even though you're the beneficiary. But the trustee itself over the trust is an independent third party, and then you get the maximum amount of asset protection that there is. If you want to talk about an asset protection trust, and if you want to see if it would work for you in your situation, go ahead, reach out to us here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan. If you want to learn more about trusts, revocable trust, remainder trust, Q-tips, special needs trust, we are the place for you. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel. In fact, we have 4 webinars that you can watch to help to acquaint yourself with trust and how you can really use it so that you can have your cake and eat it too. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.